shit! Yo!
I'm at the last lap cause I'm bound.
Woo!
The new school you're about to see.
What are you fucking doing? What the fuck? Where you going, bud?
Don't know.
Pick one. Oh boy.
Do something.
Okay, I get that you don't know which one, but like, just pick one. Hello.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Jesus. What the fuck was that?
I don't know. Let's go the back way.
I'm gonna.
Yep.
Don't.
He'll only tell her what he knows in exchange for something personal. So begins Laura's sordid relationship with her new pen pal, built on a foundation of quid pro quo.
Something for something.
Her quest for closure will push her to bizarre acts of humiliation and harm.
Jesus.
He hasn't answered me in a while, but he also has.
I don't know why. I mean, I think this is just. Oh my god, are you parking? The van's door just popped open.
Right.
Up there. Nope. Okay, bus has no idea what they're doing.
Summer is gone. Yeah, she left in the morning, gone without warning. Fun while it lasted, lost in the moment. She played me real good, took me for a ride. Now she's out fun and never playing back to real life. Yeah, she did.
Yeah, very quick. Glad I had to do that twice. Does yours seem accurate to you? I remember not thinking at the time I got my school was very accurate. The result.
I can't tell. I can't see the car.
I don't see anybody who would be. Okay. I have not been saving clips this month. I think cruise ships go out of both.
It wasn't a huge cruise ship. I'll watch out for this too.
Okay, that's cute. Nobody went. It's 4 lanes. You can turn that. You can't.
You can't. Ah.
Jesus fucking Christ. Dude, fucking. Nah, Party City. That's not from.
Oh. You angered the motorcycle.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, stop.
Why do you think we're fucking stopped, dude?
Jesus Christ.
I really didn't want to laugh. I didn't. I really didn't. I can't believe anyone laughed at that. Thank you. I appreciate that. I was trying to think what kind of candy sounded like trope, and then you... I have to be honest. I didn't have that when I said it. So when you were like, when you confronted me on it, I was frantically like, ropes. Yep. It worked.
Shit, see what I mean? Big, creepy, like, gothic buildings.
Oh, watch out.
What do you mean? You do it.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
The purists say the music has gone flat. The early mid-90s where it's at, want it all back. The all of it was better in the past and we lost that.
Good stop. Good stop. Watch out.
You wanna put up parameters, full diameters, handle your music within a box. Keep it compact, rock to the rhythm, we'll give it before. The nuggets in my satchel.
Oh. Oh boy.